Storage is really, really critical, and with that, you could serve so much more of our decarbonization needs. When somebody goes to buy solar for their house, rooftop solar, they may or may not choose to install a battery alongside that. I want to understand, why do people choose to install storage? In particular, I want to understand if reliability is driving increasing storage adoption. As climate change increases, we're going to see a rise in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. With those increasing weather events, you're seeing increased power outages, which means increased mortality, increased risk. Solar alone will not let you power your house during some sort of outage, especially if there is a storm involved. If the power goes out more often, does that house choose to install more storage? What is the causal effect of outages on solar and storage installation? If you understand the value of reliability, and if you understand the behavioral patterns that go into why people buy solar, you can much better target policy incentives. If I don't do something with all of the resources that I have to help the planet, to help people as much as I can, then what am I here for?